Hi everyone, I've got a really fun upcycle today. This orangey pine chest of drawers is in great condition, but I've got an idea to turn it into a Pinterest-worthy piece for a stylish, neutral, safari-themed nursery or children's bedroom. I'm starting by removing the handles and I'll keep them for a future project. Then I'm going to give the whole thing a good sand using 120 grit sandpaper. My spray bottle is full of diluted sugar soap so I can clean off any dirt or residue. The primary colour I'm using for painting is a soft white called Fluff from Dixie Belle's chalk range. I'm using my mister bottle with some water to get a smoother application, especially as it's quite so hot today. Once the drawers were dry, I covered them completely in evenly spaced strips of tape. Then, when the drawer was completely taped, I went back and removed every other strip. I'm just using it as a guide to create some really uniform stripes. Okay, now for the stripe colour. I'm using Stone Rosie from Frenchic, which is a really pretty neutral with some warm grey undertones that don't come on too strong. Time to reveal the stripes. I love them. I've got some really cute handles as well from a very talented Etsy artist, which I will link below, and I think they're going to be perfect. Just a few tiny touch-ups and then some clear wax applied and then buffed off everything. So these are my little handles, and I'm just working out which animals should go where before I attach them. Now it's time to quickly look back at what we started with. And this is the finished piece. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you like the look. Please hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and make sure you don't miss my next video.